Good morning, students. So today we will do worksheet 1 of mental math book. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 is there. Worksheet 1. Okay, question number 1, A part. Okay, A part. First question is there. Write the number name for the following numerals. Okay, you have to write the number name. So first part is there. First of all, write the numeral 7063111. Okay, so this is the number. Okay, and you have to write the number name. Okay, these are the numerals actually. So first thing is to do, that is we have to put the commas. Okay, and you know how to put the commas according to Indian system. Okay, first first period, that is ones period, having 3 places, ones, tens, hundred. So you will put comma after 3. Then next period is 1000, and it also having 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. So you will put comma after 0, and last period is, that is lakhs only. Okay, and there is only one place. So this is how you will put commas. Now you will write the number names. Okay, so we start from the leftmost side. Okay, means highest period. So first you will read this one, 7. It is 7, and now you will read the name of the period also, 7. And what is the this one period of this digit 7? That is lakh, 7 lakh. Next digit is 0. Okay, and next is 6. So you will read it as 6,000, 6,000, 300, 311, 311. Okay, okay beta. Next second part is there. The numbers are 6942004. So first of all, you have to put the commas, remember it. Okay, so first after 3 digits and 2 each. Now this number is you can do yourself, 69,42,004. Okay, so you can do yourself. Second B part is there. Okay, B part is there. Write the numeral for the following number names. Okay, you have to write the numeral name. So first is there. Okay, you can read from the book, 80,59,017. 80 lakh. Okay, so you will write 80 lakh, and the lower period is before lakhs, that is 1000 period. So now it is 59,000. So you will write 59,000 and 17 only. 17 means 100 places empty. So you will put 0 here and write 17. So the first one will be like this. Second is 12 lakhs 430. 12 lakh, and 1000 period is missing here, so you have to put zeros only. And last one is 430. 430. Okay, now next is there C part, that is write the numeral for the following numerals. Okay, so first part is there, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there, plus 800 plus 90 plus 3. So you can see this is actually expanded form of a number. Okay, this is the expanded form. You already done that. Okay, in maths book also. So now what will you do? You have to convert this into standard form. So it is very easy. First of all, beta, you have to check the highest period. Okay, or you can say place value, that is 7 lakh. It is 7 lakh. Okay, so you can write 7, and before lakh it is 1000 period. Now next is 800. So here you can see 1000 place is missing, so you have to put zeros here. Okay, now 800 means 8 is at 100 place. Then 90 means 9 at 10th place, and last is 3. So the number is 7,893,000. Okay, similarly you can do second part also. It is 9 60, 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 16 60,000. It is 60,000 plus 5. First of all, beta, put the commas according to Indian system. So here also it is. So now you have to read this number. It is 90 lakh. It is 60,000. 90 lakh. So first you will write 90 lakh. Put comma, and next period means lower period is 1000. So here you can see 60,000. 60,000. Okay, 60, and at last you can see 5 is only there. So it means 100 and tens period are missing. So you will put zeros here, okay, and 5. At last you will write 5. So this is the number, means you have written the numerals for the following expanded form. This is, you know, this form is known as expanded form, and this is standard form. Okay, standard form. Okay, part D is there. Fill in the empty boxes. Okay, first part is there. Write the smallest 5-digit odd number. Okay, write the smallest 5-digit odd number. So you know ki smallest odd is a number. You write 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, and when you have to write the greatest digit number, that is you use 9999, right? So smallest 5-digit odd number. First of all, you should know what are odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay, or you can say which doesn't come in the table of 2, right? So what will you do? You can write the smallest 5-digit number first of all. You know, that is 1 0 0, means 5 digit you have to complete, 3 4, and here you will put 0 here, but you know that will be a even number. Okay, it will be a even number. Actually it is the smallest 5-digit number, but it is a even number. So we have to write a smallest 5-digit odd number. So you have to check, you know, the previous number will be 9999, and that will be a, you know, greatest 4-digit number. So we have to move forward. So if we add 1 here, means next number. Okay, that is if we add plus 1, that is 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the smallest 5-digit odd number. Okay, second part is there. Write the largest 4-digit even number. Again in the similar way. Okay, largest 4-digit number, that is, you know, 9999. So this is the largest 4-digit number, but you have to write the even. Okay, even means that number must be divisible by 2. Okay, so 9, you know, one's place is 9. Okay, the digit at one's place is 9. So it is not a even number, it is odd number. So it means the even number, that is if you subtract 1, means previous number. So your number would be 9998. So this is the even number. Okay, it is the largest 4-digit even number. Part number 3. Write the smallest 4-digit number without repetition using the digits. Smallest 5-digit number. We have the digit 5, 8, 0 and 6. So you already know what you have to do when you have to write the smallest, means you have to form the smallest number by using the given digit. You have to arrange them into ascending order. You know 0 is the smallest one, but you can't put 0 at the first place. Okay, you have to go for the next one. So next one is 5, and second place you have to put 0 now. Next is 6, and next is 8. So this is the number, smallest number formed by using these digits. Okay, and number 4 is there. 99,999 come just before. Okay, means you have to write the next number. So if you add 1, okay, so you will get the next number, that is 1 lakh. So this is the required answer, 1 lakh. Okay, means 99,999 comes just before this number, 1 lakh. Okay, means previous number of this 1 lakh will be that number, 99,999. Okay, now next question is there, that is arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. So I think you know how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, so if I do first part, E part is there. Arrange in the numbers are 99,909 then next is 1999098. okay, then next number is 89909, and last number is 98999. First thing is to do put the commas. Okay, so according to Indian system, 3, then after 2 each, again 3 and 2, 3 and 2. Now first when you have to arrange in an ascending order. Ascending means we will start with the smallest one, so you have to pick the smallest number. Okay, so we have compared the numbers, and how to compare the numbers, right? So you have to look for the smallest one. So first of all, you can go for the number of digits. This numbers, the number at the second place having maximum number of digits, and rest of the numbers having 5 digits numbers are there. So smallest will be of course from these numbers. Okay, so you can see 8, 9, this is the smallest one. You can give the numbering. This is the first, means smallest one. After that 99, this is 98, so this is the second one, this will be third, and this will be fourth. Now you can arrange the numbers. 89,909. okay, and you can put this one. Second number is 98,999. third number is 99,909, and fourth last one 19,99,098. so this is the, you also put the sign, that is this is the smallest one, so you can put this one, this sign. okay, you can also write in this way. okay, next F part is there, that is in a descending order. Descending means you have to start with the greatest one, so I think you can do that. okay, it's very easy. Now let us move to the part number 2, worksheet number 2. okay, worksheet 2. Worksheet 2. First question is there, value based question. The Department of Social Welfare did a survey to know the number of literate males and females in the town. The results are given below. okay, means total number of males were this much, total number of literate males are 29,005, total number of females are 32,309, total number of literate females are 21,896. okay, means some information is given here. Now what is asking? He is asking, right, first part is there, that is a right number name for each of the number involved. okay, so what are the numbers here? We have to write the number name for that numerals. So if I do first part like this, 37,440. okay, then second is there, that is 29,005. third one is there, 32,309. fourth one is there, 21,896. okay, now you have to write the name, number names, like if I do first part, that is 37. okay, so you can write like this, 37,000, okay, 440, 440, FORTY, 40. okay, please check the spelling. Some of the students write FOURTY. okay, it is FORTY, 40. Similarly, beta, you can do the other parts. You can write the number name for the other parts also. okay, now I am doing second part. Arrange the 4 numbers written above in ascending order. Again you have to write in ascending order. okay, ascending again means you have to start with the smallest one, so you can check all numbers having equal number of digits. So you can see 21,000 is the smallest one, 21,896, and then after that next number would be, it will be 29,005. next number would be 32,309. next would be 37,440. so this is the means arrangement in ascending order. okay, number 3 is there. Suggest a few measures to ensure that maximum number of people of our society become literate. Literate means those who can read and write. okay, So many peoples are there, okay, who are not means literate, means not educated. So but we can do, so there are some steps you can suggest, that is like adult education, okay, adult education. Then night schools can be there, okay, night schools, okay. Then of course each one teach one, okay, means each person can teach one person, okay. So this program can also be implemented, okay. So these are some of the steps you can take or you can suggest, okay. Now let us come to the B part. First part is there, the place value of 8 in this month, means the given number is 2787543. You have to write the place value of 8 here. So it is very easy, okay. You can check the place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is 10,000, okay. And one more way, just write 8 and count these number of digits, okay. There are 4 digits, so put 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. So this is the place value, it is 80,000 actually, okay. So please and also some of the students sometimes they just write 10,000. It is not 10,000, the place value is 80,000. 10,000 is the place of 8, okay. Place value will be 80,000, okay. Now second part is there, how many tens make 1,000, okay beta. So try to understand this question, how many tens make 1,000. So what can you do, in your rough you can write 1,000, like you have written 1,000. Now he is asking how many tens make 1,000, means how many tens are contained in this number, इसके अंदर 10 कितने हैं, okay. So you can you can separate 10 into how much number, it is 100 actually, okay. 10 into 100 will be equal to 1,000. So it means now he is asking how many tens are contained in this number. So you can see how many tens, 100 tens actually, okay. So your answer would be 100 tens, okay. So you can write 100 tens, 100 tens. 100 tens makes 1,000. You can also write this as 100 tens, 100 tens, okay. Is it clear? We can also take other example. If I say 10,000, like if I have a number 10,000. Now if I ask you how many hundreds makes 10,000. Now this time I am asking how many hundreds makes 10,000. So what will you do? You can separate 100 multiply by how much? 100 into 100 actually. 100 into 100 will be equal to 10,000. Now you can see how many hundreds makes this one 10,000. Of course it is 100 100, okay. 100 100 100 100 makes this one 10,000, okay. Now number 3 is there, 1 lakh more than 3,25,055. It's very easy. More than means you have to add 3,25,055 plus you have to add 1 lakh in this one, in this number. So it's very simple. 3 lakhs means it will become 4 lakh, of course. 4,25,055. Okay, very easy. Fourth question, successor of this number. So the number is 42789. So first please put the commas. Okay, successor means one more than this number. So you have to add just one to this. Okay, you will get one you have to add in the ones place, that is 10, then 8 will become 9, then it's 7, 2, 5 and 4. So this is the successor. And next we have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there. So it is 2 lakh actually. 2 lakh, and you have to write the predecessor. Predecessor means minus 1. Okay. So I think you can write, when you subtract 1, you will get 1, 9, 9, 999, that is 1,99,999. Okay, so this is your last part. Okay, okay beta, thank you. I hope you understand this.